Hello kids, I hope all of you are fit and fine. As you already know counting from 1 to 50. So today we will play a game with the numbers and learn what comes before. It is very easy. So kids, let's start. What are these? These are numbers. Shall we start counting them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now let's come to this circle of numbers. As you can see, we have two circles. One big and one small. So kids, if I point one number, what comes before one? 0. What comes before 2? 1. What comes before 3? 2. What comes before 4? 3. What comes before 5? 4. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 9? 8. What comes before 10? 9. Kids, you got it? Shall we move ahead and do some exercise on what comes before? What comes before 5? 4. So we will write 4 under ones. And what comes before 10? 9. So we will write 9 under ones. What comes before 19? We will hide 1. What comes before 9? 8. So we will write 8 under ones. And 1 will remain same. So it becomes 18. What comes before 22? Let's see. We will hide 2. What comes before 2? 1. So we will write 1 under ones and 2 will remain same. It becomes 21. What comes before 36? We will hide 3. What comes before 6? 5. So we will write 5 under ones and 3 will remain same. What comes before 47? Let's see. We will hide 4. What comes before 7? 6. So we will write 6 under ones and 4 will remain same. It becomes 46. What comes before 50? Let's see. I will hide 5. What comes before 10? 9. So we will write 9 under ones. And we will subtract 1 from 5. It becomes 4. So what comes before 50? 4, 9, 49. Kids, now practice what comes before in your notebook. Thank you.